Babe, let's change location, okay? Can't show up here anymore.
But we just got here.
I know. Babe, come on, calm down. Huh?
Please, don't tell me to calm down. And please, stop calling me baby. Stop treating me like one. You're embarrassing me.
How? Are you angry?
Why shouldn't I be angry after what you just did here?
What did I...
Anthony, you are disgracing me.
Alright, fine. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Okay, accepted. So now, let's go in here and do what we came in.
Come on, I said let's change location. It's not the same thing you want to buy here, you still buy there.
Anthony, who do you love? Me or your ex? Tell me. If you so much like her, then leave me alone and go after her. Stop disgracing me.
How am I disgracing you? Come on. Relax. You know very well it is you I love.
Oh please, you don't love me.
You are the woman in life. Come on, relax. I don't love her anymore. Please, calm down.
Better think twice, oh. You only better no one. Oh, na no boy. Better think twice. Better think twice, oh. Anything where you saw, na him you go repo. Better think twice. Better think twice, oh. You only better no one. Oh, na no boy. Better think twice. Better think twice, oh.
Onny, that reminds me. Nega was here earlier.
Really? Well, I brought a new story. Your own sister. She's like that your stupid friend in the city. Rose. The only thing they care about is anytime they have problem, they will come to you. You are the solution to their problem, but they cannot be solution to your financial issue. They will be enjoying with their husband and with their money. They will not come to you. That's their business.
Only it's not like that. She's having problems with HK again.
Okay. That's the old story. In the newspaper, they will call it stale news. Stale news. It's something old. So we no longer care about it. See, let me tell you. That your friend, can't she give you money? Can't you? See, let me tell you. Ask her for money this time. Maybe this time, Chineke Monso will touch her spirit. She will give you.
Onny, you're sounding as if you don't know Rose again. You're sounding as if you don't know her. Anyways, she called. She said she's coming to see me tomorrow. Maybe when she comes, I'll use my mouth and ask her.
Ask her. Let her give you money. I wonder, that girl is very stingy. She's very stingy. Why is it that she cannot help you? She cannot help you, her own friend. Just married to give you money for you to, or take you to the city. Take me and you to the city. I heard she is here helping people, but she cannot help her own friend. But she will drive her car or to the village to seek for advice. What will I do on this one? What will I do on this one? You will tell her. But for her to come here and say, how much will I give you? How much will I give you? She will not tell you. That's very bad though. That's very bad. It's not good. I don't like it. She's very stingy. She's very... By now, me and you are supposed to be in the city. You have rich girlfriend. That I had... She has a mansion. She has a mansion. Has cars. But she cannot say, let her sell one tire of the car and give you the money. And both of us, you, your husband, are in the village. See, let me tell you, I used to do well. I used to do well. Tell them. I used to be a big man. If not that things change. If not that government people eat my contract money. By now I'll be blowing.
Baby, my money, not your own.
Our money. Your money is my money.
No, I just said I should tell you. My money, not your own.
It's alright.
You're not the one doing the contract.
It's alright. See, tell her to give you money. Meanwhile, do you have any food in the house?
There is no food. There is no food.
Don't start with me. Be careful with me. What do you mean there's no food? Please go and get me food. Let me chop.
There is no food.
There is no food. It's alright. I prepare your breast. Yes, once there, I'm happy. I'm married because you have big breasts. Yes, I like women with big breasts. So if there's no food, I'll chop the breast. If there's no pillow, I'll use it to put my head.
So you want
That's why I like women with big breasts. They are multi-purpose. Do you understand? If there's no food, I'll eat breast. If there's no pillow, I'll use it. So, bring it, let me eat. Since there's no food.
You want it?
What do you mean I want it? Since there's no food.
Okay.
You want to give me Italian Yamara?
Yes.
As on Arab?
Yes, honey, take it.
I should take it.
Take it, honey.
This one is ofe, this one is stew.
Let me get your food.
Come and get me food. By the time I finish sucking breast, will I have strength again? Get it, please. Can you imagine? You know, every day and night. Come back without the womb. I'm going to woman a bomb. I don't even have food in my stomach. You want to give me breast? After sucking it, you suck my strength. I'll get more. Please get me food. Let me eat. This is your friend. Anyway, let me see when she'll come. If she doesn't give you money this time,
babe, I had a great outing today. Yes, I really enjoyed myself. You know, I don't even know how to pay you back.
Oh no, you don't need to pay me back, my love. The most important thing is that you're happy. I sincerely want you to be happy at all times. You deserve it.
You deserve more, my dear. See, I wish things will improve so I can treat you like a queen, which you are. I want to spoil you.
Honey, you don't need to stress yourself so much. All I want is to spend the rest of my life with you. I want to spend the rest of my life being in your arms. It makes me happy. Please, Dikeh. Would you marry me?
Babe.
Would you?
Baby, you know I'm married.
It doesn't change anything. Love supersedes all. You know that. Come on. Excuse me. I'll be right back.
Sorry, okay?
Hold it.
Things they happen for this world.
What's going on? Come on. Why are you packing your things? We can talk things over.
Anthony, I'm leaving so that you can have all the time in the world to think about who you want. Me or her.
Think about what? Who is competing with you? There is no one else. Listen to me. You are the only woman in my life. And it is you I want to spend the rest of my life with.
Anthony, do not be in a rush to make such solid decisions. I've made up my mind and I have to leave now. Just let me be.
Come on. Look into my eyes. Do you really want to go?
Anthony, please. I'm serious.
Things they happen for this world.
Go back to where you're coming from.
Neka, you're creating a scene, oh. Allow me into my house.
Which house? Eh? Go
Neka,
in where?
I don't like what you're doing.
I can see you have a new home. Go to your new home.
What is
You have really changed though.
What is wrong
But
with
not
you?
the more like that. It's good like that.
Eh? What is KNMG? What is wrong with you?
What's wrong with you too?
Allow me into my house.
Which house? Which house?
Eh? You want to fight me? Biko, Ika drum. I don't have time.
My friend, go back. You're not entering anywhere. Enter where?
I'll push you out. Oh.
Can you try it?
You're going to injure yourself. Oh.
Can you dare it?
Excuse me.
Why now?
Neka.
Why now?
Neka, I'm taking it
Can
easy.
go see the hand to bring wine now.
Eh.
Try it.
Wait,
Just
ho-
why?
And when Jose blow wine, I won't blow like naba.
Can't give
Neka,
way.
you're creating a scene here. Oh.
Oh!
You're creating a scene.
I'm creating a scene here. Eh? Hey. Okay. I am creating a scene here.
See how you're shouting and people are looking at you, listening to you. Yeah? Neka, stop that. Stop.
Stop what?
Neka, what is wrong with you? Open the door now. Open the gate. Open.
This is the key. Go back to where you're coming from.
Neka.
Akuna, okay?
Dear Akuna.
Prostitute of a man.
Dear Akuna.
Prostitute, Ashawan Dikeh. Look at him.
American harlot.
We are in nonsense, useless, fake God Chenaka. Kasipa no name.
Oh, they envy me.
You should now call the no.
Better. We Come on. Open gate, please.
Open which gate? I said you should.
Neka, stop this now. I don't like people hearing our voice.
Okay, wait.
Keep on darling up say Neka. Neka, this is my house, oh.
Which house?
This is my house. You're locking me out of my house, my own house.
With a sweet mouth, they will draw you to themselves. Oh, if you give attention, they will lead you to destruction. Beware, know who you they relate with.
Best friend forever.
Only God knows who be who for this one.
Oh my God! Hi! You look so happy. Yes, my darling. Why would I be happy? Sit down. Tell me, just give me one reason I shouldn't be happy.
When God has finally blessed me with an amazing man, a man who loves and cares about me so much, a man who adores me, a man who literally worships the very ground I walk on, why won't I be happy?
Are we talking about the same person here? Is that the same person you told me about?
Of course.
The married guy.
He is a gift sent from above. There is nothing he doesn't do for me, my sister. Anyway, that is not why I'm here. That one aside. I came for something very important because I need your advice.
I know. You only remember me when you need my advice. But apart from that, Ebere, it's true.
Who told you? You're my friend. And you know.
Anyways, what about the money I asked you for?
You said you know they try. Don't you know my house? It's not even about that. You are the one that's even for me. So why haven't you come to my house to collect it if it's so important to you?
It's far.
Oh, it's far. Yeah, I'm showing you get go nyata no bia be nyegi the money. You won't look I have no word for you.
Better think twice. Better think twice. Oh, you only better no one. Oh, na. Better think twice. Better think twice. Oh, Dikeh. Anything where you saw.
You have been here since morning. Is your wife not around?
I met her when I came this morning, but she left through the back door. She locked me out. Ozamaka, Neka is your friend. Please talk sense into her. Because the way she's going, I might leave this house for her one day.
I don't know what is wrong with Neka. I have tried to talk to her severally. I don't know why she wants to destroy her home with her own hands. The Bible said a wise woman built her home. But the foolish one will actually destroy it. I pray she realizes her mistake before it's too late.
I'm actually running out of patience with her. I can imagine Neka locking me out of my house. You see that thing that is beating her drum? And she's dancing to it. She should go on dancing to it, She should continue. One day, we'll see who will lose.
It hasn't gotten to that. It hasn't gotten to that. Calm down, wanyo. It's just that, I blame you for what is going on.
What do you mean by that? Ozamaka?
Friend, love is not measured like this. It's not measured like this. If he truly loves you, let him divorce his wife and come and marry you.
Yes, divorce.
Yes. Don't do anything for him. That was how you did for Anthony. And then finally what happened? Okobako. My friend, let no man deceive you. Let no man deceive you. Ha! Love. Just now.
You are really correct.
I'm always correct.
You are right. I never really thought of it that way. I'll just have to hold on then.
Don't just hold on. Don't do anything for him until he divorces his wife and marries you. Don't do anything. Yes.
Thank you so much, my dear. Thank you for this advice. I have to be on my way now.
Ilaogo. Rosie, what about the money I asked for?
I'm not really in a good frame of mind because my mind is telling me that this guy might try something stupid. He shouldn't even dare it with me. No, let me just go. I'll get back to you on that. That one, I'll get back to you. But let me go first. Because on that, I will. Trust me.
Just like that.
Don't worry now.
Why you Biko?
I will get back to you.
Hey. The money, Kwanu.
The money I will give you. Let me go for now, I will give you. Hey, I told you now.
Come and come. I'm getting 50,000. Just help me. No. You just come for advice, and after the advice, boom, you enter inside your car and go. Nani, so. But you want to go and do something for a man.
I think you're right. I was so soft on her. I gave her a long rope to climb. And now she's on top of my head. I am going to tame her. I will tame her. Okay.
Where are you going? What about the bar?
It's for your friend. Give it to her.
Women are out there in the morning, afternoon, and night praying for a good husband. And the one that the Lord has blessed with a good husband is toying with it. This life no balance at all.
Better think twice. Better think twice. Oh, you better no one. Oh, na no boy. Better think twice. Better think twice. Oh, anything where you saw, na him you go reap. Oh, better think twice. Better think twice.
I think she's right. I need a lot of time to think.
Better think twice. Better think twice. Oh, anything where you saw, na him you go reap. Oh, you choose to live your life and
AJK they try you. Despite the way you treated him, he still got you these things.
I went too far this time. I went far.
He deserves it. He deserves more than that. How will you explain the fact that he now sleeps outside his matrimonial home? See, let me tell you, all these things are just to buy your conscience. And I am sure you will not give in to it. Don't fall for such cheap blackmail. Oh my, let me see. This is beautiful. Ezigbo madu.
Anything.
Anything.
I want a new phone. This one is giving me troubles. And the battery does not last again. It's not strong.
Just that? A new phone you will get. Yeah. See, I'm going to buy you a new phone with the first bulk money that will enter my hand. I don't have a phone, but I am going to buy for my angel first. A brand new phone.
Are you sure?
Yes. Of course, very sure. Very soon you're going to launch a brand new phone. Not that we have much, but just because you're my angel.
Thank you.
You're welcome. All I want you to do for me is to keep praying for me and keep loving me. Okay?
Okay.
Let me see this one. Can't go for. You know who go for?
No. No, we're gonna sing.
Yeah, just this one is I'm gonna take one.
We're gonna sing.
Don't worry, I'll get you a brand new phone.
Better think twice. Better think twice. Oh, anything where you saw, now him you go report. Better think twice. Better think twice. Oh, you only better no one. Better think twice. Better think twice.
What exactly are you doing here at this time of the night when you should be sleeping? What seems to be the problem?
I needed to think something through.
What could that be? Is it about your wife or what happened earlier today? Then what? Do you care to share with me? Do you care to share with me?
I don't really like the way things are going. I mean, I feel like I'm a burden to you. Yeah, I should be the one providing for you, not the other way around. Look at me. No money, no job. You're the one taking care of everything. The food, the clothing, the shelter, you're the one doing everything. I should be the one giving you.
Honey, sweetheart, I never complained for a day. I never saw you as a burden. Until today, I don't see you as one. You're not a burden to me. You're one man I love so much. And that I have more than you doesn't necessarily mean that you're a burden to me. Remember, my baby, love conquers all. And listen, I want you to think about any business you want to venture into. Anyone at all, let me know. I will support you immensely.
Really?
Of course. Baby, I've got the connection. I've got the money also. So with one or two put together, we're good to go. You don't have a problem when you have me. My love. You know. So I don't like you seated here when you should be up with me performing some manly duties, you know.
Thank you so much. I really do appreciate it.
Don't thank me no more, honey. Just come with me. Come on, let's go upstairs.
Them they busy, they look for whom they go breaking home.
Oh,
baby. Them they busy, they look for whom they go breaking home. With their sweet mouth, they will draw you to themselves. Oh. If you give attention, they will lead you to destruction.
Yeah. You are so strong.
You know who you relate with. Only God knows who be who for this world, though. I say beware, agents of darkness everywhere.
I trust you. I actually forgot.
Them they busy, they look for whom they go break. You see,
yes, I do.
Beware, agents of darkness everywhere. Them they busy, they look for whom they go breaking home.
I want you to swear with this that you would always do anything I ask you to do, just to prove to me how much you love me.
Okay, I swear with this to prove to you that I love you so much.
I will do do anything I ask you to do. Thank you so much. Now, I want you to marry me. Get married to me.
Marry you?
Yes.
So what happens to my wife?
Oh, don't ask me that. What happens to a woman that gives you hell? A woman that literally makes you uncomfortable in your own home? What are you talking about? Don't you need happiness? Divorce her and get married to me.
If I do that, she will come for us.
Then you kill her. Yes. Do away with her. Get her eliminated. But the only thing you do is that you have to be smart about it. Do not let anyone know that you're the one that did it. Kill her and then come to baby. Come to mama. You will enjoy me. And as well, enjoy my money. As always. And you know how much I make you happy.
If you give attention, they will lead you to destruction. No one will they relate with.
Enjoy me.
Only God knows who be who for this world, though. I say beware, agents of darkness everywhere. Them they busy, they look for whom they go break him home. Oh. Beware, agents of darkness
Dikeh, please, have you seen my husband? Has he come to work this morning?
Madam, I have not seen your husband since this week.
Okay, do you know where he might be? Maybe a friend, any close friend that he may be with. Because since he left the house yesterday, I have not seen him. I don't know his whereabouts.
Madam, I really don't know. You know, say your husband, you know they like to deal with person. They like to on their own. I don't know where he do. I never see him since on Monday. I never see your husband.
Naka, hurry with the car. I'm going to work with it.
Alright, I'm on it.
Okay, bye-bye. Thank you.
So, how was it? What you went for?
I have a lot to choose from.
Okay, let me hear it.
I thought of importing cars,
Okay.
house decor stuffs, going to real estate or contracts.
Real estate? It's really a good one, but it requires a lot of money.
You're right, but...
You honestly do not have a problem with that. I am going to assist you with some fund and also connect you to one or two people so that you can pick up from there.
Are you sure?
Is that a question? I'm telling you what I'll do, but you would have to marry me.
It's okay, that's not a problem.
No, it's not
I'll
just...
marry you.
It's not just that it's not a problem. I wouldn't be a second wife. No. You have to marry me legally. After all, the marriage with your wife is not even working. And then, leave every other thing to me. I'll take care of you.
It's okay. There's no need pushing it too hard when it's obvious that it's not going to work.
The ball is in your court, my darling. The sooner you execute yours, the earlier I play my own part. Okay? Anyway, well, later today we will go visit Bode Peters. He is one of the biggest real estate consultants we have in this town. Whilst coming back, we can stop over at Ola Robot's place. Okay. He owns the biggest clearing and forwarding firm. Very big. I mean, you can explore any of the options. The ball is in your court.
Thank you so much.
I appreciate it.
Go ahead and enjoy your meal.
Merci.
Merci beaucoup.
Hustle, you know, agree. Stingy man, oh, in our way.
On him. Hey, glory to God. What are you doing in the house by this? Hey, sweet thing.
Meaning what? I'm not open. So I can now go out and come back in my house. If I come to see pastor, I will collect a card. This is my house. Anytime I like, I come back.
Onny, I did not say this is not your house. I just said I was not expecting you in the house by this time. It's really strange.
Now, is this ready that I'm in my own house? So a man cannot come to his own house and come back anytime he wants. Or stay in his own house without his wife seeing it as a strange thing. Eh? What is it? Please allow me to stay here in peace. If I do not come back now, you'll be crying. Now I'm here. You see it as a strange thing that a man is back in his own house. Who does that?
I did not say it's strange. Oh.
Okay. What did you buy in the market?
Onny, the market was so dull today. I only got ingredients for soup. Very dull. Kagugo, my back here. Eba no. It's paining me. Here now. Onny, can you see where my hand is?
I cannot see it. You want me to press it? This is afternoon. I don't press back in the afternoon. But you press back in the night. Do you understand? You want me to go and press back this afternoon so that you have a fair child. I don't want fair children. I want black one. Eh? I want black one. So in the night I will press your back. Go, please. I want
my
to
daughter will be fair. Yes.
Your daughter. No, my son will be black.
Yes, your son can be black, but my daughter is going to be fair.
Eh? I want me to come and press back. Because you every time you carry breast, chimney, I will not see clothes. I will not see where. Because I'm looking at breast. You want me to press? What are you doing? Are you cooking the food?
Hey! I don't get a lot. Go do it. Hey! I don't get a lot. Go do it. Neka, what is it?
Uzo, see, I am not in your mood now. I don't have.
You are not always in a good mood. You see today, you cannot be a killer of joy because I am so excited right now. Guess what, my dearest friend? If you like, you guess. If you like, you leave. But your baby girl is getting married.
Really?
Oh, yes.
Congratulations, so.
Thank you, don't mention.
Who is the lucky man?
Oh, Dogo. Chief Benjamin. He's the one. And I said yes to him.
Chalu. Chief Onye?
Yes.
Wait. Chief Benjamin. Your doctor.
Which other one do you know?
I thought he's married.
I don't care. If he lies, he should be married to 10 women. I don't give a damn about it. Come on. You see this opportunity? God, don't give me. I will not let it pass me at all. Men are scarce. So, I'm grabbing this opportunity. What I go?
In case you forgot it, he has 8 children. 8. See, I am your friend. I don't want to allow you to make such mistakes. I don't want to tell you to do what I know that me.
Shut up your mouth! Shut up! What do you know about marriage? You that cannot keep your home is lecturing me about marriage. What do you know? If not that you're my friend,
Better think twice. Better think twice. Oh, anything where you saw, now think twice. Better think twice. Oh, you never better no one.
My wife is inside the house. She may see you. Eh?
I came to see you now. Since you have been avoiding me, I came to see you.
How can you come here when my wife is around? Cook the food, cook the food. I'm coming. My wife is around. Can't you see?
See, I have not seen you for a while. And I was missing you. So I had to come and see you.
Oh my God. Ordinary missing. That's why you came. Eh? Can't you look at, open your phone, you see my picture. Then you look at it. Then you stop missing me. My wife. Hey, cook, I'm coming. Hey, yes. Cook it.
See, there is something I came to tell you.
You have to go now. Whatever you want to tell me, you hold. When I come to your house, we'll talk it.
No, it can't wait. It can't wait. I have to tell you now. It's very, very important.
Janet, you want to ruin my family? You want to scatter my family? Go home. I will come and see you. Oh, I don't like this.
You are going to be a father.
I'm going to be a father. What kind of a father? Reverend father. See, let me tell you. This is not how to joke. I did not attend a seminary school. I did not go to big guy. I did not go there. So I'm not going to be acolyte. Acolyte of a reverend seminary. Acolyte of a father. See, I was only a man server. And I'm no longer a man server. See, my wife is not even pregnant. So what kind of a father do you want me to be? I cannot be.
Honey, bring the tray on the table.
Yes. I'll bring 5. Don't worry. I'm coming. We have to go.
I don't know what you're talking about. I don't know. See, Anna, I'm pregnant. And I'm pregnant for you.
What did you say?
I said I'm pregnant for you.
What you said now, Anna 430? Eh? No, don't carry 430. What did you say now? You're pregnant for me. Oh God, I don't like joke. See, go to your house.
Do I look like I'm joking?
Go to your house. We'll talk this thing later. My wife is here. She will see you. You have to go.
Anayo.
Me that cannot pregnant a woman. For how many years I have not impregnated my wife? How come? Me that cannot pregnant my wife. How can I pregnant you?
Honey, where's the tray?
I'm coming. Go.
Honey, the tray is on the table.
I don't want to wait for you.
I'm coming.
I don't want to.
I'm coming.
If I wait for you, you will see what I'm
doing. I'm coming. Just leave. Fly away like Peter. Bro, fly and go. I'm coming. I'm coming. Fly, Jeanette, go. Let me see trouble. Hey, yes. How many trays do you want?
The tray is on the table, honey.
How many? 5. I'll bring it.
There's only one on the table.
One on the table. Should I bring the table as well? I'm coming. Hi. What kind of trouble is this? Eh? What kind of trouble is this? I don't like this kind of thing. This girl will put me into trouble. Which kind of pregnancy is this? I don't like pregnancy. I'm coming. Do you want dog? You got a meat in here? Should I bring dog so that we'll cook dog? We'll kill the dog. Table, I'm coming. I'm bringing it. Don't come outside. I'm bringing it. Never. You need to want to start. Oh, I don't like this. What kind of trouble is this? I'm coming. Cook it. Should I kill one dog? Or 2? I don't like this kind of thing. I don't like this. Jeanette is the thing put me through. And I'll be saying it. Jeanette. I'll say that I'm going to cut down your mouth. Hey, Jeanette. Every time you say put it inside. Come inside me. Now you see. You want to come inside my family? Never.
What's the meaning of this? What do you call this? And what are you doing in my house? Haven't I told you it's over between us?
I'm sorry, baby. I'm sorry.
Sorry for what? I said it is. Are you daft? It is over between us. What is your problem? Why wouldn't you let me be? Huh?
Come on, what is it? Why are you so hard on me? What have I not done? You want me to take my life for you to believe I'm deeply sorry? Come on, all I ask for is forgiveness. Just forgive and forget. I'm ready to do anything to make it work.
Anthony, you cannot eat your cake and have it at the same time. I am done with you and I'm done for good. Take your miserable self and this thing out of my house. Get out. Get out!
Better think twice, oh. Iyonye metalo noa, kona na luboya. Better think twice.
Oh God, they go now. You won't cry.
Better think twice. Better think twice, oh. Anything where you saw, now him you go report. Think twice. Better think twice. Think twice. Better think twice, oh. He on the metal no kona na luboya. Better think twice. Better think twice, oh. Anything where you saw, now him you go report.
Where have you been? I've been waiting for you. I am very sorry. I know that I've not been a good wife to you. Please, forgive me. I'm so sorry for everything I've done. You don't deserve it. I've been so disrespectful.
See, we need to talk. Please sit down.
No. There is nothing to talk about.
Please sit down.
Please forgive me. I'm sorry, honey. I'm sorry.
Nneka, you see, you can't eat your cake and have it. Okay? I've moved on with my life. And I advise you to do so.
No.
It's late now.
No, it's not late. We can start all over. We can work on it. I'm a changed person. I have changed.
Nneka, I can't go down the lane with you anymore. You will hear from my lawyer very soon. And my people too. Okay?
Please.
You have to move on.
Honey, please don't do this to me. Honey, please don't do this to me. Be gone.
So you mean Janet came to your house to tell you that you got her pregnant?
Yeah, I've seen it now.
Hi. Chai. Okay. So now, what do you intend to do? Tell me.
I don't know.
Did you really do it? I mean, are you responsible for the pregnancy?
How will I know? How about just once? It was only once that we did it without. Get that feel, my child. But my wife and I have been doing this thing for many years. Ebere has never missed her period for one day. Talk more of having miscarriage. I don't understand this one.
Okay. So now, what are you going to do? See, you need to do something. I suggest you tell your wife. Yeah, so that you two work things together. But guy, you fall my hand. How could you just go there and fall in love with her? Why now? Why? You see, others are going there to do penyo, do piam and go. You just went there and remained permanently. I
wanted to come out of Okpadum, but never. I will not take it. Never. Mammy.
Mammy. You beg a really go to Infuena.
Educate, please don't do this to me. Educate me, cousin, please. Please don't do this to me. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Don't leave me.
Nneka.
Don't leave me.
Nneka, just let me go. Crying over a spilled milk.
No.
You pushed me to the wall, you remember?
I'm sorry. I was naive. I
Just
I'm sorry, Dikeh.
Oh, get it one no. Yeah, that's why I'm designers.
I'm sorry, please. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Dikeh was naive. I didn't know what got into me. I'm sorry.
Nigga, please, can I?
I will do anything you want me to.
It's late. It's late. Nigga, it's late.
It's not late.
The quite watch made me pay for designers.
My love, Dikeh. Are you going? Oh, God. What have I done to myself? Why are you looking at me? Why are you looking at me?
Calm down. What have I done? Why this anger? Why this grievance? See, all I want is forgiveness, please. Why can't you just forgive?
You never thought about that, right? You never thought about this annoying attitude of yours before doing what you did to me. You never thought of it. Now get out of my house.
Alright, fine. I'm sorry. I'm deeply sorry. I can't continue like this without you. I need you in my life.
Well, it's too late. I have a man in my life already and I am happy with him.
That is not true. I know you love me so much. Oh. And I love you too. Come on. Where's the love we shared together? Huh? I know you're doing this to get back at me. But please, you're going to hurt yourself. Come on. Stop it. Stop it.
Enough! Enough, Anthony. You're wrong. I have a man in my life and I love him. Besides, you cannot eat your cake and have it at the same time. It is never done. I'm okay with him. And this man in my life is 100 times better than you are. Do you understand that? Now take your miserable self out of my house right now. Abu! Abu! You can't eat your cake and have it for crying out loud. You can't. You never thought of all this when you were doing everything you did to me.
But I've been telling I'm sorry.
You are very stupid. Listen, the next time you allow this lunatic into my abode, I will not only throw you out, I will also lock you up. Take him out. Shut up! Shut him out!
You don't make it happen. I will push you.
Better think twice.
Hey!
Better think twice. You only better no. Oh, no, boy. Better think twice. Better think twice. Anything where you saw, if you go report.
Okay. Okay, Bogus. He was sitting down here just now. Where did he run off to?
Anayo! Hanim!
Honey. Honey, where did you now go to? I was looking for you. I was shouting your name. Honey, I came out and I dropped your food. I was calling your name. You were not answering. What is it? Why are you sitting like this? Come and eat your food and finish.
Keep the food, I don't want to eat it again.
Eh?
I said, keep the food, I don't want to eat it again.
It's again. After going through the stress to make this food, it's him keep it, you will not eat again. That is what you're saying. What is it? Mbanu, tell me. You were sitting down here just now. You were happy. Get home. Why is your face like this? You know if you're not happy, I'm not happy. So tell me what
I said, I don't want to eat the food again. Is it by force? Do you want to force the food on me? Put it. Put it.
Sorry.
I don't want to eat the food again. I'll eat tomorrow. I'm fasting. Pastor said I should fast.
You are fasting?
Yes. Pastor said I should not eat till tomorrow.
Well, no problem. You don't want to tell me what the problem is. I will go and eat the food since you are fasting.
But when you said when I'm crying, you were crying. I don't want to eat the food. I don't want to eat the food. So we want to go and eat the food.
Father said we should not waste food in the church.
Father said. Yes. So you are doing what Father said. You will not do what your husband said.
You don't want to eat now?
I don't want to eat now. So you want to eat now? But he said if I don't eat, you not eat. If I cry, you cry. You see women, I'm 419.
You are not crying yet.
I'm not crying. You want me to cry?
No
problem.
I'm going to eat it.
No. Go inside. When I come inside, I'll eat breast. Anytime there's no food, I'm not bothered because I have breast. Go and finish the food. I'll finish the breast. Nonsense. Your breast is sweeter. Don't worry. Just gather the two. Before I finish the two, 3 years will pass. Nonsense.
What a stupid man. You think you can come back now to make me love you again? What am I going to do now? Should I give him a second chance? No. Ejike is madly in love with me. He is the man that can obey me and do whatever I want. Oh, here he calls.
Hi baby. How are you? Oh really? Okay, that's fine.
Take her to the village. Pretend you have forgiven her in front of the elders. But do not forget your mission, our mission. Of course, you know what I'm talking about. Don't forget. Okay, fine. All right.
Agents of darkness everywhere. Them they busy, they look for whom they go break him home. Oh. Beware, agents of darkness everywhere. Them they busy, they look for whom they go break him home.
Oh, let's go. Come in. You're welcome. You're welcome. Hey! Welcome to your home. Welcome to your home.
Know who you did relate with.
Welcome to your house.
Only God knows who be who.
This is your home. This is now your home. Yes, you're welcome.
Where is the baby?
Oh. Is that Aka's house? You don't have to come. Whether she's around or not, this is your house. You don't have to bother anything. As far as you are here for me. So go inside the room. Take your bag into my bedroom. You are now my wife. This is your house.
But I don't know the way to the room. Please.
Follow the parlor. You go to the other room by the corner. In fact, let me go and show you. But this one I want to go and show you.
Me.
Huh? One round is available.
Don't worry.
Wait. She's not around. Let me go and show you. So that. You gotta go. Oh, go. Move it. Open the door.
We have heard from both parties. There is nothing too difficult in this. That the husband and his wife have problem. It is within the same family.
It can be solved.
But they are one. So it can always be solved.
Yes.
I want to beg both of you to please sheath your swords. Forget your grievances and let us settle this matter right now. Please.
Uchendu is right. You see, we have all been there. This is my 23 years in marriage and counting, by God's grace. You You, the younger ones, should emulate we, your elders.
Good. You see, marriage is endurance. If you want your marriage to last, you must enter your marriage with one eye closed and one eye open.
Yes.
That is it.
In the history of our family, we have never experienced separation or divorce. No. So it cannot start with two of you.
Bah.
So we, your elders, are asking you to forgive each other. Go home and live in peace.
Yes.
Ejike, please, forgive your wife. Give her another chance. Huh? I believe she has learned from her mistakes.
Okay. My elders, you've spoken well. I've heard what you said. Thank you so much.
Neka, you have to. Apologize to him.
My husband, please, I am so sorry. Forgive me. I promise it will never happen again. Please, I'm sorry.
Nah, Buto. Let's go.
It's okay. Just come in.
Aha. Piano. Amazim, if I was able. If I was able.
Now, what is the
Baby, I made you a delicious breakfast.
I'm sorry, I'm not hungry.
Babe, please, at least have a taste of it.
I'm sure you heard what I just said. I am not hungry.
Babe, come on. I insist. Please,
Why would you insist?
Just taste it.
Test what? Why won't you do the needful? You're doing the unimportant things. Serving me food. Did I tell you I want to eat food? Do what you're supposed to do. Then I can eat whatever you bring.
You will love this.
Please.
Hey.
Better think twice. Better think twice. Oh.